Hey guys, today I'm doing a quick review of the Airzeen robot vacuum cleaner. Great addition for your rooms in your house. This one, I have it on my hallway here, so it's just to make sure that it cleans pretty much everything in that area. So I'll give you a quick view of how it works and what comes with it. As you can see, the box brings instruction manual, a quick manual. It does have 2 additional brushes, which is a big plus, an additional filter, which is good. Most of the other ones, and a cleaning brush is there as well. Sorry, some of this stuff is just additional items that came to protect the packaging, but yeah, it pretty much brings additional items that you can use in the future, so it will last you a long time. Here's a quick view of her cleaning depiction. I apologize for the background noise. My dogs are reacting to the vacuum, but I love the fact that she goes around and clean everything very nicely, and as you can see, she is getting closer and closer my way. Once she did clean that, so continue. I have used it 3 times already, and it does a better job than other ones that I have had in the past, because this one kind of like goes over the spots more frequently, so you can get a better cleaning, so it's highly recommended. Here's a video. She's going returning back to the base. As you can see, I have a remote control, and that makes things so easy. Here's my little boy. And she found it super quick. So now she goes back in and charges herself. And all you need to do is basically just clean off the dust that she collected. Other than that, great vacuum, very affordable. I highly recommend it. Guys, give it a try.
Here's the Airzeen robot vacuum. It comes with a quick startup guide, as well as a full-on user manual, which I haven't even used since I've only been interested in the basic use of just turning it on and letting it do its thing, which it does very well. It has the biggest dust compartment I have seen yet. It's, I think they say 600 milliliters, but I would say it's about twice as big as our previous robot vacuum. The filter is right up top, right here. And as you can see, it also comes with a replacement filter, which is quite appreciated, as those parts are usually hard to get or hard to make sure that it's the same one. On the flip side, you have this brush here, which, as you can see, is already tangled in the hair because it did such a good job picking it up. You have this great tool to clean it up when needed. And what I particularly like about this robot vacuum is that you can remove the brushes. This way it's easier to remove hairs that might be stuck into it. The last one we had, we weren't able to remove them unless we actually used a screwdriver. So most of the time we were too lazy and we kept pulling on the hair, which meant that we kept breaking the bristles. So with this one we won't have to damage the machine. And as a bonus, it also comes with replacement brushes. So that's great. Even if we do end up damaging them somehow, at least we'll have replacements. So there's also a remote control. And that's pretty much it. It works really well. It picks up all the little dust, and it's quite quiet, so we like it quite a bit.
really?